So guys, just got my first little smallmouth. It's a begging.
Pretty.
It is really pretty actually.
It's a light colored smallmouth.
Yeah, that red eye, and we're gonna let it go now.
Hold it in your hand and let it go. Yeah, like that.
It goes.
Oh, that's a fast one.
That was the big one we were seeing in the water.
There's a bigger one over here. I'm gonna try to catch it with a shiner and see when we get it.
First smallmouth, guys. What are those little ones?
Just
Minor, ain't they?
Yep. See you guys. Yeah, guys, I just caught this little smallmouth here on the bed.
Bagging.
And it was chasing all the other fish off the bed, and I put on a little shiner.
Still took them about 70 casts to catch it though.
A little circle hook right in the top of the mouth.
Right towards the mouth.
I had to throw the minnow in there like 7 or 8 times for it to finally take it in. Just look how pretty that little smallmouth is.
A little bit of a scrape since mine, but next, gonna keep on getting bigger and bigger so I can
The
6
shiner
pounder.
was that long, it fit in that little thing's mouth. And over the bed.
Stop back.
And I'm gonna get a quick picture with it. I'm gonna go release it.
I didn't take a picture.
I get different like this. Alright. Get better.
I took a picture like 6
Okay,
of
now
them.
turn it.
I don't have to quit the video. You can just hit that little button.
Let's release it. Alright. You putting it?
I've been recording. Oh, you just hit that little button. Take a picture.
Oh. This bed's up there. I'm just gonna release it right here.
Dude, I said crawdad. We need to catch it.
Ugh!
Jimmy?
That thing was ready. Guys, I caught this little smallmouth here. It's bad though. Well guys, I just caught this little smallmouth. And now Mason's finally gonna switch over to a minnow since he would never use one. Now since I'm slaying him, now he'll change to a minnow. And Mason changing his bait. I'm gonna take this little smallmouth over here back to its bed. They like to bed around these shallow little I don't know what them things are, but them big old whatever that is. And I walked around to this one. First cast, as soon as it hit the water, bobber went straight down. And smallmouth. Pretty. I just love catching them little creek smallmouth. But the funnest thing you can do is catch a little creek smallmouth. And whole day full of 5-6 hours, that's a creek smallmouth fishing. And the other one's still in the bed that I just caught. Well, come back and meet him. He's got one. Well guys, I just caught this slaunch smallmouth. Look what a belly on it. Begging. And I'm gonna get this measure tape out of my tackle bag. I'm glad I brought it today. And show you how long it is. Actually, there's a measuring tape on this tackle box. Bigger than 12. Alright. Let's see. Measures right at 14 and a half. It's a 14 and a half inch smallmouth. 14 and a half inches. Begging. This is my second PB smallmouth. Second biggest smallmouth I've ever caught. And I sight fished it off the bed. Huh? It was alive. And I'm gonna release this fish right over where I caught it. Right on its bed. There's like a little underwater rock point. And I seen it right there at the end of it. But what a belly. I'm astonished. It's pretty. There it is. Just sitting there. That was about the funnest thing I've ever done. Been out here for how long was it? 30 minutes? 45? Been out for an hour. Been out for about an hour. How many smallmouth do you think we've caught? 6 or 7?
4. You've got 3 and I caught 1.
Yeah. Fish for the same one forever. Then I figure out how to get her done. I finally got the set up.
I still can't get her done.
Me and Mason's going. When we start finding more, we'll start slaying more.
There's a Alright, guys, I just caught this biggin, right by the freshwater.
Show them how thick it is.
Yeah, look how thick. Look at that pretty belly and that blue on the mouth.
Show us his back.
It's about a half inch thick, maybe.
Oh, it's like an inch. It's thick.
Biggest beluga I've ever caught, or what is this called? Pumpkin seed? No, it's sunfish. Green sunfish. Green sunfish. Look at that. Look at the blue on the mouth. How pretty.
Blue and brown on that.
Alright, hold this pole so I can let it go. The pole. Alright guys, I'm gonna let it go.
We've been sitting there trying to catch this thing biting our bait for like 20 minutes. It was a baggin.
Bagging, alright.
Bigger than the last one.
Yeah, thicker than the last one. Look at that, boys.
Uh-oh. I hooked it real. Let's hook it near the face.
I didn't hook it right to the top lip.
Yeah,
But anyway,
face.
look how red orange that belly is, boys.
Look what a belly on it.
Yeah, thick.
Well, release this. It's pretty. Well, I guess we're going to keep trying to catch slaunches.
Yeah, good thing you got 4 guys more.
Hey, I catch a smallmouth. I catch a smallmouth. You catch the panfish.
Mine are trophy panfish. I don't care if you catch a little too many smallmouth.
Okay.
Unlike I did.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, this is about the funnest thing we can do. Come out there in this little tiny creek. Well, not really tiny. Go in this creek and catch me.
So I was reeling that in and it was like,
Slaunch! Okay. Bobber's down. He got another! It's a rock bass. So it's a slaunch. What a rock bass.
God,
I ain't even stopped the video yet.
I used to have a pet one of these in my aquarium, guys.
Ow! There you go, this.
Find me.
Alright, you got it. There you go. Well, Mason don't even get a chance to try to catch anything. I know one day me and Mason gonna have to come back out here again and do this. Let's hurry up so we can quit this video and get back to fishing. I think we finally figured out how to get her done. We used up all our shiners, so can't catch no more smallmouth. And the smallmouth are quick release. Well,
Time after time. Hey, let's see.
no, I'm stopping this. Let's go back to fishing.
Alright, guys, I guess it's my job to catch panfish. Somebody's gonna catch bait, you know? Adam's over here catching these slaunch. I swear, it's not been 2 minutes since I doubled up on that bluegill on that rock bass. Has it?
No,
Next cast after we stop recording.
5 minutes and we caught all 3 of them. 4, actually. 4. This is my 7th smallmouth today.
He's lying. It's his 6th.
Remember that one? That one.
He caught one right there, one over there, and one right here. So that's his 5th.
Release that one. I did not mean to do that. I'm so sorry for everybody had to watch that. And I'm gonna hurry and release this thing because I'm sure it don't feel good. I'm holding it good. I think it's cool at least for it. Yeah, it's ready. It's biting. Looks so pretty. Alright, get down and close to the water. Oh,
There you go.
Let's go. I heard it with your baby.
Alright guys, I just caught this smallmouth, so I'm looking for a little tank catfish.
Mason, I'm gonna let Mason catch a little. I finally figured out how to get these smallies to bite. I'm gonna let Mason catch one. Hey guys, I just caught this
I'm not
really
videoing
fat.
yet.
Huh?
I'm not videoing yet.
Do it.
No, I'm just kidding. I am.
Okay. I just caught this really fat smallmouth.
We're gonna release it now.
Yeah. Catching so many, we gotta make the video shorter.
Yeah, I haven't caught one smallmouth today.
That's a good one.
Oh no, I take it back. I caught one little 4-inch smallmouth.
He caught the first fish of the day. It was a smallmouth. It was the smallest one I've ever seen. Well, guys, I hope you like that day creek fishing at the creek for all them smallmouth and big old panfish. And I got Mason on his first smallmouth. Unfortunately, he didn't get no bigger ones. And I'm gonna have to go back sometime. There's gonna be tons of videos coming out, so be ready for all that. And subscribe, like, and peace out, dudes.